So today's topic is the Samsung DeX mode, that is the built-in feature in Samsung S series tablets. Right now I am using my own tablet, that is Samsung Tab S9 FE, and here I am opening a presentation, Microsoft Online basic presentation, and I will tell about the Samsung DeX feature. So Samsung DeX, the classic one, that is the traditional one. So today I will show you how you can get the Classic DeX in Samsung tablets. And basically Samsung has killed the DeX, that Classic DeX, on One UI 8.0, that is the latest update. Here you can see that the index mode, you can open many apps simultaneously. That means two or three or many more apps can be opened in desktop mode. So first of all, we have to know the build number of your operating system, that means build number of your Android version. Here you can see the updated list of the build number. Here the first build number that comes with Android 14, that is the first three digit number, that is denotes the model number. Then XX, that denotes the country code. U denotes for the operating system, that means the Android version, and 1 represents for the number 1 2 3 4 and so on is going on. So Android 14, that is U3, that means it's a Android OS running build number is 3. So we have to note that. So here it is U5. Now we'll show you the how many apps can be opened in without any hang. And you can see the my tablet build number, that is X510XX, that is 7. So it is running on Android 14, but when you update to latest version, that is 8.0, the Samsung DeX option is gone. That means the option is removed from the Samsung. So if you like the traditional, that is the old DeX, then see this video and until the end. And the hardest truth, that is the you cannot go back to the One UI 6.1.1, but you can wait for another latest updates to get the Samsung DeX. uh, uh, and there are no other way to get the Samsung DeX with binary code. The latest Android version, that is 8.0, that includes that removes the Samsung DeX from the CPU, so you cannot install. Here you can see the flipper clip that works perfectly well. You can see that in flipper clip, when I create a animation project, for example in DeX mode, you can see that there is no lag, so it is better than, I think, any PC. So the Samsung DeX feature is very useful and very good for any tablets. So it's basically comes to the Samsung S series and Z series tablets. uh, so the Android 14, that is version is U5. So S means security updates, and U5, that means it's the OS update, operating system update. So Android 14 update, that is known as U. So my current version is I think U, that means it is running on Android 14. And you can see that when I show the apps, you can see the software updates. I have disabled these software updates because I don't want any latest update, because I do not want to lose the Samsung DeX feature. And if you want to if you are still on the 6.1.1, then if you don't want to uh, lose the Samsung DeX, then you should not update the latest version. So the one and the only solution to get last way to get the Samsung DeX is to wait, and is to tell Samsung to give the Samsung DeX feature. So here is the feature, here is the process. I will show you the downgrade solution is the only possible if a binary matches. That means if you are in the One UI 7, then you can switch to One UI 6.1.1 by installing custom RAM. But it is most difficult one, because you have to root the phone, you have to unlock the OEM unlocker, then you have to bypass, then you have to remove the security. That means the Samsung Knox security also be removed, and the fuse will be blown out. So first of all, in case of downgrade, that means if you want to One UI 7.02 7.02 One UI 6, then you have to first of all back up everything, and as it will factory reset everything. So first of all, you have to prevent FRP, that is factory reset protection. So you have to remove the Google and Samsung account from your device. Then you have to download Odin software in your PC. Then you have to download the Samsung official drivers, uh, install in your PC to communicate with your tablets using these drivers. Go to the trusted firmware repository like SAMFW that matches the special regional code that is written on the build number. So then flash with the Odin software to get the operating system that matches with the binary code that is the written on the build number. I have told you that the number that is after U, say U1, U2, U3, when it matches, then only you can downgrade. But if when the build number is higher, that means then downgrade is not practically impossible, is practically impossible. That means it is a hard truth that when your binary, that means when your build number is higher, so downgrade is not possible. So you have to accept this. And now what you have to do, you have to do that you have to tell Samsung that to give the Samsung DeX feature to the in the next updates. So so as I said earlier, that to unlock bootloader and unlock OEM unlocking, it is not recommended because it voids your warranty, as well as it will void the Samsung Knox security. So you should not do the OEM unlocking or the bootloader unlocking. Just you have to tell Samsung to give the feature in the next update. So what you have to do, go to your Samsung member app, just open it, then in support page, so in case of support page, here is written uh, community post. Just select tablets, then write, I think, give Samsung Classic DeX in the next upcoming updates. So it is the official and it is the option you have. None other options are possible, and it is the hard truth that downgrade from 8.0 to lower is not possible if your tablet is running on Android 7. Then it will be downgraded to 7 or higher, but if your system is running on 8, then it is not possible to downgrade to 6. And if it is in your Android version is 7.0, then there is a possibility, there is a chance of possibility. But if your uh, system is running on 8.0, then it is not possible for. So this is the truth, and the YouTube videos that shows that tells that many YouTube videos tells that it is possible, but it is not possible. It is not physically possible. So it is practically impossible to downgrade from 8.0 to 6.0 and never update never update your tablets other before knowing anything. So if you want to stop the updates, please tell me in the comments below, so I will make a video how I paused the Samsung updates, that is the operating system updates, so that I am using these features like a legend, you can say. And you can see the Samsung DeX. It is a Linux operating system, and it's running many apps, many browsers or many applications at a time without any lag or issue, without any issue. So it is the solution. And if you want to disable the software updates, please tell me in the comments below.